10 powerful visibility ideas to elevate your brand and stand out. Did you know 70% of consumers feel more connected to brands that create content addressing their needs? Visibility isn't just about being seen, it's about creating meaningful connections. So, in today's competitive landscape, building a strong brand presence is crucially gaining trust, loyalty, and ultimately more clients. So that's the kind of strategy which people are using today. Here are 10 proven strategies to boost your brand's visibility and make a lasting impact. I'm going to give you all 10 together. So, see what suits best for your brand's needs. The first one is start a blog or write articles. See, when you're sharing your experience in solving industry specific problems through well crafted blogs or posts, you will get more leads. In fact, companies who blog regularly get 67% more leads compared to those who don't. So, my suggestion is if you have a niche, you have a company, you have people, please write more about your niche, about what you do, and have articles, have content which is helpful for your clients. Okay. The second thing is leverage social media platforms by posting consistently. It could be on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever your content, your target audience is there. At least 3 to 4 times per week needs to be posted, and regular posting, consistent posting gives you engagement. In fact, statistics shows that it increases engagement rates by 28%. So that's something which you cannot do. It's leaving your online footprints. So don't neglect that department at all. Okay. Third is collaborate with influencers or industry leaders. Partnering with influencers can increase your credibility and expose you to a new audience. Studies show that influencer marketing delivers 11 times higher return on investment compared to traditional digital marketing. I mean, they are available. Why don't you take use of it? It's something which is, the hold which these influencers have is fantastic, so leverage from it. Fourth is host webinars or live sessions. Share valuable tips and insights through interactive sessions. Webinars have an average attendance rate of 40 to 50%, making it an excellent engagement tool. So, leverage from it. There might be something in your industry which you can coach your people about, which you can educate your audience about. Go ahead, take advantage of it. It's online, you are at home, just go ahead, and you can reach a global audience that way. Fifth is I would love for you to create educational videos. Okay. Short format videos, tutorials. It resonates today with this fast paced audience. This kind of, they have a very short attention span. So it really resonates well with them. And 92% of marketers say that videos are integral to their strategy because 80 they drive 80% more conversion rates than static posts. Video markets are booming. I really suggest that make content which is seeable, which is shareable, and which which is video based for that matter. Sixth is share client success stories. I have said this time and time again. People trust peer recommendations. Highlight testimonials. Have showcase studies. Real world impact of your work, because that can lead to higher retention, client retention. In fact, it shows, statistics show 58% higher retention rates for your services if you are showing the reviews and the feedbacks regularly. Seventh way is engage with your audience. Absolutely important. Replying to their comments, messages, interacting with them on regular basis builds that relationship, and it makes it stronger. It Research shows that it increases the chance of them converting three times more if you are actively engaging with them. Okay, even if though they are not your paying customers, I mean, I'm talking about people who are not your paying customers and you're still interacting with them. Absolutely important and essential. The eighth point here is speak at conferences or events or networking events. Okay, public speaking positions are considered, you know, they make you an expert in your field and in your position. They, people look at you as business leaders when you go ahead and have something to say, have something to share. It builds a credible position for yourself. So I would love for you to go ahead and take that public platform, share your views, your ideas. Of course you have something to share, so just go ahead and do the world a favor with your services. Ninth could be running contests or giveaways. Now encourage, sharing your content through fun giveaways. The campaigns are there because it, 34% higher brand awareness comes through these kind of campaigns, and it attracts new followers pretty quickly. And the last one, publish guest posts. See, extend your reach by writing for other industries, their blogs or websites, or invite them on podcasts, because that would drive inbound leads to your page. It can also boost your credibility, it can boost your SEO markets and things like that. So these are my 10 tips. I don't want you to wait. Just start building your brand today. I mean, aren't they easy to do kind of tips? So what I would love to end this video with is that visibility is not an overnight process, it's a consistent effort. And these strategies can help you carve your niche, it can help you stand out in your industry, and make you be seen, be known, uh, and get, it will become helpful for you, for your clients to convert into paying clients, for your followers to convert into paying clients. Okay, so what idea are you excited to implement first? Let me know that in the comments below.